In today's economy, maintenance and facilities professionals are expected to do more with less. They struggle to keep up with maintenance requests, work orders, and preventative maintenance tasks. Tools like spreadsheets, outdated CMMSs, and in-house solutions just don't cut it anymore. They're slow, unreliable, and aren't mobile. A new CMMS seems like the obvious choice. But most are too complicated, have more features than you'll ever use, take too long to implement, and are expensive. If you're struggling with maintenance management, check out Click Maint. Click Maint is an easy-to-use and affordable maintenance management software that manages work orders, maintenance requests, preventative maintenance assets, and inventory. Click Maint is web-based and comes with a mobile app, so users can manage work anywhere. Maintenance techs can manage work orders easily, and managers get the reports they need to make data-driven decisions. What's more, it can be set up in days, not months, so you see value fast. Start streamlining your maintenance operations today with Click Maint. Contact us today to book a demo and start a free trial.